Dumar Redenbacher and Alex the Booger here again. Getting ready to do the final assembly, well, aside from the intake, on this LQ4. We're missing the intake right now, and it really feel like we're missing some other shit.
We still put the push rods in.
Yeah, we still put the push rods in. I'm saying like,
Accessories.
I know what we're missing. Hold on real quick. We'll be right back. And we are back. We figured out what it was we were missing, and we had to run to the store, go grab a very vital ingredient to our night. Now, let's fucking get it. Alright, let's get this shit done, man. Alright, for today, the plan is we're going to get the valve covers off. We don't want to mess them up. We just got those done. We're going to throw the push rods in the heads. We got to get the oil pan on it.
We got to take it off the stand to be able to put the oil galley plug in and the rear main. Well, we don't need to take it off the stand for the rear main, but we need to do it for the oil galley plug.
Yeah, the oil galley is, like you said, is hitting this one of the arms on the engine stand. So that should be pretty simple. Where are you trying to put that? You might as well leave the valve covers off.
R.I.P. to Bob, the old guy. When I was growing up, always drinking 40s in bags. Got drinking in a bag memorial. You gotta chug it, I think, man.
Fucking beer started foaming. This is why Trump wants to build a wall.
He wants to keep out delicious things, like Mexican food. Cervezas.
Mexican women.
You think booty Mexican bitches?
Yeah. I mean, my girl's Mexican, so I can say that.
Yeah. When I say big booty Mexican bitches, I'm not talking about.
No.
Could be all weird about this. I'm not saying that she is a big booty.
So, question.
We have a lot. Hammer, hammer.
And for anyone wondering, we're using F-body oil pan with the KDS mounts. They work.
250.
Oh, yeah, they're 250 bucks. You can sometimes find them cheaper. That's to like buy it now. I don't want to wait price. But yeah, those work. That's what's recommended with the KDS mounts because the stock truck oil pan is crazy deep. And like on my on the LS Swap Fleetwood we have out there, the oil pan smacks the ground often. Now I run very low on flux, so I didn't really care. But I'm also going to use the KDS mount. Also going to use the F-body oil pan when I pull my motor out because it just works. It works, you know? So right now, we're gonna make sure this is snug. It looks close to it. I just got it snug actually. Yeah, flush. Yeah, we wanted to make sure this was flush. It was a little off, it's good now. So now let's clean it up and tighten it down. Maybe tighten 2 bolts off. Tighten up 2 bolts and then tighten it. When you're putting the LS together, you always want to make sure your rockers are centered. Well, any push rod motor for that matter. You always want to make sure your rockers are centered on the center of the valve spring, on the valve stem. Because if you just snug them down without paying attention, you can get almost all the way off. So, we discovered that the LS3 heads that he picked up have a broken rocker to the bottom here. And what happens is with these, on the LS motors, these have needle bearings. Why they're not caged, I don't know, but what happens is the needle bearings get loose and they get all through your motor and just cause all kinds of havoc. So luckily we're paying attention to shit like that and not super drunk. And yeah, so this rocker's dead. We can't use this. So we're not gonna be able to start the car until we find another rocker. You can probably buy one for cheap though, so it's no huge deal. I'm just glad we found it. I'm actually in this rocker house. What's going on, folks? So this is where we're at right now. Got the motor all assembled, aside from the rocker issues that we showed you guys earlier. We'll take care of that. Oh, we got one more bolt. We should probably make a list. We got one more bolt in the oil pan we got to grab from the junkyard because at some point with all this shit we ended up losing it. But I mean, everything else is torqued down there. Got the valve covers on just to make it look pretty. Oil pan is on. And that is a LQ4 with LS3 heads. Got stock link push rods. And
We got a 40-ounce Miller High Lab cap in one of the water pump holes.
yeah, nice little plug there, you know.
That doesn't leak. Get all of the paint.
Yeah, you know. All that coolant that's in there. And next time we'll probably be putting this in there after he gets we're gonna run some brake lines just while we got the extra space. And that'll probably make for a quick little video. Just people want to see how the ABS delete goes on these cars. So yeah, that's where we're at with that. Hope you guys liked the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't forget, let that bitch eat. Domestic violence out. Say bye, Alex. Alright, what's going on, motherfuckers? So, we fucked up and we forgot to put the gasket in the rear main seal. So that rear main is not going to do much sealing. So, what we're about to do, well, what Alex is about to do is, yeah, that thing. He's going to pull the cover off, throw the seal on. Probably got to pull the pan. I don't know. You're gonna pull the pan off too, or
I don't know.
if you tap it down, sets the pans on, you'll be fine. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like get it kind of snug, tap it down. So yeah, we're about to knock that out real quick, and that's what we forgot. So yeah, get some pictures up of that. Well, I guess you guys know what the rear main seals look like.
Yeah.
So
I kind of realized this last night when I was going to bed at like 2 in the morning. I was just laying in bed and I was like, didn't put that fucking gasket on! No!
he didn't put it on because he spent 30 minutes prepping the fucking surface. So
Yeah.
that's why that happened. He spent so much time. So much time. But yeah, so that's the only thing we had left to do. So we're about to knock that out real quick. And then next time we see you guys, the motor should be going in because he's going to knock out the brake lines at some point in the next 48 hours. That's not really video worthy. Brake lines are boring as fuck. So, with that being said, like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget,
Let that bitch eat.